Welcome back to Learn German Daily, day 3 of our journey. So far, you've learned the alphabet and how to say hello and goodbye. Today, we're going one step further, learning how to ask someone how they're doing and how to reply. This is one of the most used phrases in everyday German. You'll hear it constantly in real conversations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask and answer with confidence. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the main phrase. Repeat after me. Wie geht's? Meaning, how are you? Or how's it going? This is the casual, everyday version. You'd use it with friends, classmates, or people your age. Here's a more formal version for someone you don't know well. Wie geht es Ihnen? Meaning, how are you, formally. You'd use this with your boss, a teacher, or an older person you just met. Let's repeat both versions together. Wie geht's? Wie geht es Ihnen? Great! Now you know how to ask, both casually and formally. Now let's learn how to answer. Repeat after me. Mir geht's gut. Meaning, I'm doing well. Simple and positive, a great everyday answer. Here's another common one. Sehr gut, danke. Meaning, very good, thank you. And if you're just okay, not great, not bad, es geht. Meaning, so-so, or it's okay. And if things aren't going well, nicht so gut. Meaning, not so good. Let's repeat all 4 answers together. Mir geht's gut. Sehr gut, danke. Es geht. Nicht so gut. Perfect. Now you have 4 different ways to answer, depending on how you're really feeling. Let's put this into a short, real conversation. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. Hallo, wie geht's? Meaning, hello, how are you? Mir geht's gut, danke. Meaning, I'm doing well, thank you. Und dir? Meaning, and you? Auch gut. Meaning, also good. See how naturally this flows? That's a real conversation. 2 people checking in on each other, just like you'd hear anywhere in Germany. And that's a wrap for day 3. Let's recap what you learned today. You now know how to ask, how are you, both casually and formally, and 4 different ways to answer, depending on your mood. Tomorrow, on day 4, we're learning how to introduce yourself in German, your name, where you're from, and more. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis bald! See you soon!